Another thing that fasting does is it literally allows you to tune in to God. My favorite radio station is K-Love 90.7 here locally in Virginia Beach, but my sister lives in Richmond and my two amazing little niece and nephew. When I drive down to Richmond to go visit her, and I have K-Love on, usually about when I get to Williamsburg, about an hour to an hour and a half, I can't hear K-Love anymore. I can't hear that station. All I get is static. And doesn't that happen to all of us as Christians sometimes? Like we literally are like, God, why aren't you talking to me? We get so busy, we get preoccupied, and we rarely slow down to hear God's voice. And what I say is like, fasting is like putting spiritual antennas on your ears, and it's like ding, 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 ding. And you can actually tune in to God's station. I own a real estate company and we do a lot of radio ads, and I visit the stations all the time and we record commercials with their most popular DJ. And we advertise on about 10 to 12 different radio stations. And whenever we get the bills for our radio ads, they don't say like 94.9 The Point or whatever you kind of hear. They usually say something like WPTE. I noticed that all the radio stations have a 4-letter identification, and they usually start with either a W, like WTKR, or a K, like K-Love. When we're fasting, I started thinking about it. Instead of hearing from all these different stations, we're listening to WGOD, W God, and we get on His frequency so that we can hear directly from Him.